This snow, this war, it's just my origin story. And the camera loves it.
OTK1138, what are you doing now? Seriously?
The Empire's finest, reporting live, baby. Are we winning? Irrelevant. I look amazing. Woo! Who's the daddy now? Vader?
I had faith in you, TK1138. You've disappointed me for the last time.
One battle, one winner. I'm gonna go chill in Endor once I get my vacation.
You think you're some kind of rock star stormtrooper, do you? Silly boy.
TK1138 here. The fight's intense, but my lighting, flawless. It's art!
TK1138, you fool for trying to find Luke. I once told that boy I was his father. He didn't take it well.
Untouchable, unshakable, unsupervised. At this point, I answer only to destiny and my followers.
This is what happens when you don't screen your troopers. He's got 12 followers and a death wish.
What the hell are you doing? God damn it!
That idiot actually thinks he's going to find Luke Skywalker. Jackass.
Once I find Luke, Vader's gonna regret every performance review. I'm not just trooper material, I'm promotion bait.
I should have transferred him to sanitation. Instead, he's out here following the spotlight.
Is that Luke?